Are you looking for a tutoring center that delivers high-quality classes for IGCSE and A-Level exams? Imagine acing your exams and getting admission to top universities in the world. At Pinnacle Education, we help students achieve their full academic potential. Our experienced tutors specialize in IGCSE and A-Level curricula and tailor their teaching methods to ensure that students not only learn the material, but also understand it.
My name is Tutors and I study A-Level Maths at Pinnacle. I really like how Pinnacle manages their classes. They're very systematic with everything they do. And the tutors are also really friendly. They give a really comfortable atmosphere to study, and their classes are very easygoing and lenient. I really like that part about the school. Normally, we have to study for 2 years. We have to prepare for 2 years for A-Levels, but I wanted to do that at a faster rate in 1.5 years. And the teachers at Pinnacle help to teach the content in a much faster pace than usual. I think this really helped me a lot.
My name is Sinthum and I studied A-Level Maths, Political Maths and Economics. I wanted to study at the UK and they require at least 12 years minimum of education. And then I know I needed A-Level and I decided to do that. And later I found out that with A-Level qualification, you can go almost any university. The thing I like most about Pinnacle is the teaching. It's very clear and the teachers are really patient.
Hi, my name is Sangebo and I study A-Level at Pinnacle.
What I really like about Pinnacle is the classroom are relatively small, which is good because the teachers can focus on what the students really need and they can provide prompt response to the student questions. I actually do most of the class online and all the classes were recorded, so I can always go back and check.
My name is Ruishan and I'm studying A-Level at Pinnacle. And the best thing I like about Pinnacle is that the classes are only lectures. It is more like a discussion between the student and the teachers, which is really a good way for me to learn better. And the teachers are always available if you have any questions anytime.
We believe every student has talents and capabilities that they might not have yet discovered. We aim to guide and inspire them to figure out what they can truly achieve in life.
IGCSE ကို UK မှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့ Year 10 နဲ့ Year 11 ဆုံးလောက်မှာခေတ္တကြတယ်။အဲ့ဒါဖြစ်ပြီးသွားလို့ရှိရင် February တော့တန်းတိုင်းတန်းတော်လို့မရပါဘူး။ဒါပေမဲ့ IGCSE ပြီးထားတဲ့ကျောင်းသားတွေက A-Level ဆက်တက်ကြတယ်။ A-Level ကနေပြီး February နဲ့ကို join ကြတယ်။ဒါမှမဟုတ်ရင်သူတို့စိတ်ဝင်စားတဲ့ University တွေရဲ့ Foundation Program တွေကိုတက်ကြတယ်။အဲ့ဒါတွေကတော့ February နဲ့ကိုဆက်ပြီးတော့ join ကြတယ်။ A-Level ဆိုတာတိုင်းနိုင်ငံမှာ high school ပြီးဆုံးကြောင်းညီများရဲ့ certificate qualification ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ A-Level ကကြတော့ somewhere စနစ်ဖြစ်ပြီးတော့နှစ်စဉ် January ဂျွန်နဲ့အောက်တိုဘာမှာခေလေးရှိကြတယ်။ A-Level ပြီးသွားတဲ့ကျောင်းသားတွေက University ရဲ့ပထမတက်ဖို့ဒါရိုက်တန်းရှောင်ရရခြင်းအမှတ်အရင်ဖောင်းတဲ့အခါမှာ scholarship တွေပါအောင်ကြားနိုင်ပါတယ်။
The good thing about doing IGCSE and A-Level is that it doesn't allow the student to memorize everything by heart. It requires them to understand the concept and think critically, especially in a subject like business.
As teachers, we steer away from rote memorization and spoon-feeding content and solutions to the students. We focus on the comprehension of concepts and their applications to unfamiliar questions with the use of past papers.
The ability to analyze problems and communicate solutions effectively is crucial for students, not only in their academic studies, but also in their future careers, regardless of which path they choose. We have helped many students achieve outstanding results and gain admission to their dream universities. Don't wait any longer. Join our tuition center today and start preparing for your success. Contact us now to learn more about our next intake.